Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be demoing the Black Cat little dynamite firecrackers. That's what they look like. I'm going to be demoing off two for you guys, not at the same time, just different times. So, yeah. I'll set one down, I'm going to light it over there on the bricks over there. Yeah, let's head on over there. These things are pretty loud firecrackers, one of the loudest regular little red firecrackers you can get, in my opinion. We're gonna try this one out. More demos coming after this one too. So yeah, let's light this thing up. That one wasn't that loud, so good thing I brought a second one. To light off of it, look, left one in there from last night. Okay, let's light this thing, see maybe it'll do a little bit better. Hard with the wind with these lighters, right? Okay. Got another one. And then one more. Since I just found it in there. Got a bunch of firecrackers we've been lighting up. This one's wet, so it might not work. It rained all day yesterday, well, 4th of July. This one might not work. Ow. Yeah, this one's not gonna work. I'm gonna go try one more for you guys. My little firework table we were using yesterday. Okay, hopefully this one is a loud bang, like they usually are. Okay. Okay, there we go. That was the loudest one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.